Only 24 hours left before the flash sale promotion ends. If you've been thinking about entering the world of AI security, this is your moment. Cybersecurity is changing faster than ever because of artificial intelligence. Attackers are now using AI to generate phishing attacks, create malicious code, exploit AI systems, and bypass traditional defenses in ways most organizations are not prepared for. That's exactly why AI security specialists are becoming some of the most in-demand professionals in cybersecurity in 2026. Inside the AI Security Specialist Live Workshop, you'll learn practical real-world skills including LLM and Generative AI Security, Prompt Injection Defense, AI Threat Detection, AI Red Teaming, Securing Machine Learning Systems, AI Governance and Compliance, AI-powered SOC Operations, Real Practical Labs and Exercises, CAISE Certification Preparation. This is not just theory. This is live hands-on training designed for cybersecurity professionals who want to stay ahead before AI security becomes mandatory everywhere. And here's something important. InfoSec4TC Platinum members can attend the workshop and access all workshop materials completely free. And for everyone else, use promo code FLASHSALE. But hurry, the promotion ends in only 24 hours.